Hey guys, Tim here again, working on my Ford Ranger, and today I'm going to be replacing the starter solenoid. That's this guy here, and you can see it located right here on the firewall, right next to your battery on the driver's side of your truck, of your Ford Ranger. Where it's at on here, and part two is going to be replacing the starter. And that will be in a completely different area underneath the motor by the transmission. But this is part one, replacing the starter solenoid. Okay, first and foremost, guys, anytime you do anything electrical, cut the power before you do anything. So I'm gonna, this is the 13 millimeter, and just take your battery terminal off. Remove your battery terminal, and this will be a good time to clean it if it needs to be cleaned. Okay guys, then you go in with a 14 millimeter, loosen up this guy here, and then you want to pull this rubber cap off, and you'll find another one directly underneath it. Okay, after that, pull this guy, pull this guy, and make sure to keep track of what goes where, guys. Keep all this stuff together. These two connectors will go on your bottom bolt. These three guys here will go on your bottom bolt, and so keep all that stuff together in one place and just pull that back. Hey, what are you guys doing here? Hey, what are you doing here? Okay guys, and there they are. And guys, these 8 millimeter screws right in these holes, in those brackets there. A little off topic, guys, but I just had a kind of a young kid walk by and asked me to buy one of my chickens. It's kind of weird. I don't know if he wanted to start an egg business or do something weird to the chicken, but either way, I'm like, yeah, they're kind of pets, dude, not for sale. Yeah, sorry. All right, once again, guys, I could have saved myself a trip if I would have pulled the old one before I bought the new one, because a slightly different model I needed.
He makes some Social Security, so we've been footing the bills for him. Not fun. Yeah, but it looks like you're busy enough anyway.
Hey, busy.
That's what it takes.
Yeah, that's right. Oh, I gotta run.
Take care. Be safe.